Well, I got the whole engine back together and all the linkages on, and I got my battery pack hooked up, oil in it, and we're going to see if we can start it. So I had a little fail with my recording here, and I was trying to record me starting it, and evidently I never hit the button, so it started in about 10 cranks, started right up, but I missed that unfortunately, so sorry. Battery yet, and the steering is pretty frozen, and the hood police are really going to get me. So it's a success. There's a little bit of a putt to it, but you probably need to clean the points or something. It's been sitting around for 4 years, pretty much unused. So there's a couple problems that I'll point out here, which are really annoying to me, but this bolt hole here, where this bolt goes into the blower housing, and this one down here, both are stripped and they won't hold the 1/4-20 bolt. So those things won't tighten up, which is really annoying. The muffler, I bought this muffler used somewhere. This whole exhaust pipe this is really off an 800 series, and 400 is not supposed to have this, but it works fine on it. But the muffler is pointing straight down. It should be pointing out at like a 45-degree angle out to the side this way. So I want to see if I can loosen those bolts here while it's hot and maybe spin it. The only other thing I really need to do is come over here to the stator, and I did test this. I have, you know, the correct volts coming out of here, but I need to make a connector on this side that can accept these wires from this stator, and then I should have charging, and then I'll be mint. This is supposed to be for a headlight on the back of the tractor, I think, which I don't have a headlight on the back of this tractor, so I should just probably deep six this wire. But other than that, everything seems to be working really good, so I'm very happy about that. And my plan is to try to mow grass with this thing soon. And that's the 432. Hope you like. Okay, a little update here. I was able to loosen the exhaust, and I spun it with a pair of pliers, no issue. And both of my bolts here that I said were stripped, turns out they were just too short, so they weren't gripping the threads well enough. So I put longer bolts in both of them, and there must be meat in the center, so they're cool. So yeah, so this K321 here is mint, guys. It's mint. So stay tuned for more next time.